Hey everybody, hope you're doing good. It's been a minute since I posted a video, so said I'd do one today. A nice picnic area here under a bridge. So you hear some noise in the background, that's what it is. I just want to do a quick unpacking, unboxing, whatever you call it, of the Audi R6 Avant. This is on an international card. It took me a while to find these. It's pretty cool. My favorite mainline for sure. So let's get it out of the package. Oh, there she goes. And that is just one of the best wagon castings. You guys go all crazy over the Skylines and the Bluebirds, but this right here is where it's at. Alright, Audi RS6 Avant. Yeah, it's not a super treasure hunt, but you know what? It's still cool. Got a lot of details in it. It's got a license plate on it. Even says, yeah, come on, focus. Even says Quattro down in there. You see it? Audi emblems, RS6 in the grill, headlights, tail lights, rear emblems, RS6 on the back, another license plate. Just a lot of details for a mainline. That's why it's one of my favorite mainlines this year. Wish I could have found the super treasure hunt, but you know, don't we all? Yeah, there you are. Happy hunting, guys. Sorry it's been a while, but if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications on new videos, and hope to see you guys in the future. Check out the Instagram. I'm going to be posting some more pictures of this, instagram.com/Diecast Addicts. If you guys want to see anything special, shoot me a message here or on the Instagram, and I'll see if I can find what you guys are looking for and maybe do an unboxing of it or a review of it. So that's it for me today, guys. Have a good day.